Okay, Assalamualaikum. For today, we will look into another subtopic of searching. So we have heuristic search. So heuristic search is different from blind search. So in blind search, every node are being searched and evaluated in order to find the goal. So it is called blind because every node are being searched. Another word for blind search is brute force. Okay, brute force. Dia cari je semua node untuk tentukan goal. Okay, untuk cari goal, untuk dapatkan goal. But for heuristic search, so heuristic is a method that guaranteed to find a good solution in reasonable time compared to blind search. Heuristic search additionally will use other information in order to find its goal. Okay, sometimes it can use other information such as the cost. Okay, cost in order to search the next node. And some heuristic search we look also on guesstimate work. Sample of guesstimate work is estimation on time or difficulty in order to get from one node to another node. So that's how heuristic search can always guaranteed to find a good solution in a reasonable time compared to blind search. There are three types of heuristic search that are covered in this topic. That is hill climbing, best first search, and A-star algorithm. However, this video will only cover best first search. Okay, because best first search is similar to depth first search and breadth first search. So we call it best first search. So best first search is search algorithm that order the search on the basis of node preference. It is a combination of depth first search and breadth first search, and the search can be implemented on the following algorithm. So this is the algorithm. Okay, the things that I want to show you is how best first search would function like. Okay. In contrast to blind search, such as depth first search and breadth first search, the best first search would include cost, okay, or preference, okay. That's why in best first search tree, you will find number attached to the node, okay. There are the number attached to the node. So this number will represent preference or priority or cost. So in best first search, the lower number would be evaluated first compared to the higher number. So each node will be given a number, and then node that has the lowest number will be evaluated first compared to the node that has the higher number. So let's see the best first search in action. So okay, like way I will try to screenshot this. Right, okay, I snip this area and this part. Okay, this is example of the evaluation table. Okay, we will try to start an evaluation. Okay, this is for best first search. Okay, let's see if my Excel is not temperamental for today. Okay, let's write the title. Okay, best first search. Okay, this is the screenshot. Okay, the number is important because the number would determine the priority or the cost, which is important to arrange the queue. Okay, the lower number will be given higher priority. So in this question, Q is the goal. So I will try to mark the Q. Okay. Okay, I'm marking the Q. Okay, Q would be the goal. Okay. Okay. This will be the Okay, this would be the goal. Right, let's do best first search. Oh, okay, I'm trying to. Okay. Right, like always, we will have 3 column. Eval, open, close. Okay, you can compare this with your note on hand when you watch this video. So first, null or empty node, you have A, and then close. And then you have A, and then you open with B6 and C7. So you have to attach the number. So A. So A, walaupun ada number, kita jarang tulis lah because A does not have a competitor. Okay, sebab A ni dia tak ada competitor lah. It does not have its own competitor. You have no choice except to select A. And then you put here B6. And then under B6, you have E2. So you put here E2, E2 first. And then D5, and then C7. Okay, E2 because E have the lower number. 2 have lower number than C7. And then D5 also have lower number than C7. So here then you have B6. And then you have E2. And then under E2, you have J9 and K7. So you have to arrange D5, C7, K7, J9. Okay. Some of you might question, how do you know which of the node should go first? Either C7 or K7. Okay, the answer would be C7 because C7 is the most senior node within the 7 range. So you have B6, E2, sorry, A, right, something is wrong with my Excel. Okay, my Excel is always temperamental. B6, and then E2. Okay, this one I miss putting A. And then you have D5. So under D5, you have I11. So C7, K7, J9, I11. So, and then you close with A, B6, E2, D5. Okay, next you have C7. So, under C7, you have F3. So, F3, right? K7, J, H6. Okay, H6. Okay, F3, H6, K7, G8, and then J9 and I11. Okay, this is the correct sequence. Okay, must follow the sequence. Okay, must follow the sequence. And then A, B6, E2, D5, C7. Okay, next F3. So under F3 you have M and L. So M2, L3, K6, K7, G8, J9, I11. Okay. Afterwards, you have A, B6, E2, D5, C7, F3. And then you have M2. So M2, and then under M2 you have Q0. Okay, Q0. Q is put at the front of the node, right? Q0 or Q0. Ada setengah panggil Q0, ada setengah panggil Q0. So some people have different terminology. That is what I can say. Say A, B6, E2, D5, C7, F3, M2. Okay, finally you have Q0, and then you can say that it is goal found. Okay, goal found. So kita katakan goal ni found lah. Okay, sebab goal kita adalah untuk mencari Q. Alright, Q. Okay, goal found. Okay, you can compare this with the sample answer in the uh, okay, in the note. Okay, sample answer dia akan bagi takat D5, kemudian dia suruh kamu sambung. Okay, dia suruh kamu sambung. So, kalau kamu perasan dia susun ni lain daripada cara yang saya susun. Sebenarnya susunan ni tak kisah. Sama ada kamu susun depan dulu ataupun belakang dulu. Yang penting kamu ikut susunan mana yang kamu selesaikan. Okay? You have to arrange it in the sequence of how you solve the search. Okay? How you solve the search. Right? So if you have the time, sebenarnya kamu kena jawab soalan di belakang ni. Okay, you have to answer the question at the back. Okay, practice make perfect. So in practice make perfect, okay, try to answer this question number 2. So perform best first search into the given graph to move from A to S. Nanti waktu class time kita cuba bincang tengok macam mana. So or I will make another video to discuss it how it is being done. Tapi kamu kena cuba dululah. So you have to try it first. Only then you can learn. Kalau kamu tak cuba dulu, macam mana kita nak belajar kan? You do not know how it is being done. So you have to remember yang AI ni kita tak dapat study dengan membaca saja. You cannot read, just read. You have to do the exercise. Okay, and then you cannot also copy it directly from your friends sebab kita tak pasti kawan kita betul atau salah. You have to be with yourself. You have to be very confident with yourself. Okay, you have to be very confident with yourself. Right, try to do this exercise. Okay, this is the number. Okay, and then arrange it in evaluated form. Right, okay, that's all. See you next time.